In this session, I will walk you through the stock availability functionality on sales order lines in Sage X3. During sales order entry, sales representatives may not have immediate visibility into existing inventory levels. This often results in warehouse staff being pulled away from their tasks to perform manual stock checks, or sales team members having to run stock inquiries themselves to look into available stock. Fortunately, Sage X3 can be configured to display product availability directly during sales order entry. With a new enhancement introduced in Sage X3 version 12, users can now view stock availability directly on the sales order lines. Let's start by creating a sales order to check whether stock availability is visible on the sales order lines or not. Let's go to this navigation. Sales modules, orders, web orders. I'm going to create a new sales order. Click on the new button. Select the sales site. In my example, I'm going to select ZA012. Select your customer, ZA010. Reference, product, stock. I'm directly moving to the lines section. Here, I'm going to select a product, cable tie. If you notice, the moment I select the product here, we can see a section under the lines, available stock. At this moment, we cannot see any available stock. Let's enter the quantities. If you notice here, we cannot see any available stock in this section. Let's cancel this one. To enable this functionality, there are some prerequisites for the enhancement. So let's go to Navigation. Setup. Under Setup, if we scroll down, we have the Sales section. Under the Sales section, we have Entry Transactions, then Orders. Here we need to select our respective entry transaction. So I'm going to use WEB, Entry Transaction Code. If we notice here, we have an option under the Lines section, Availability of Product. So we need to flag this one. Save. And then Validate. The changes have been validated successfully. Let's close this one. Now let's take a look at how this works. I'm going back to the navigation. Sales module, orders, I'm going to select web orders. When you enter a sales order line where the product has all the stock available, you get a message like the one which is highlighted. I'm going to show you now. Let's create the sales order. New. Select the sales site. Customer. Stock. Directly jump to the lines section. I'm going to select a product. AC65. Going to enter the quantities. Here, we can see before we enter the quantity, for the selected product code AC65, 26 units are available in stock. So let's enter some quantity, around 10 quantity. The moment we enter the quantity, it gives a message of to be allocated, because we still did not create the sales order. So 10 quantity is available for allocation. Let's create this one. Go ahead with the annual price. If you notice here, our sales order is created. Now I'm going to create a new sales order. Let's see what the available quantity is. Let's create new. Site. Customer. Go to lines. Select the product. Before we enter the quantity, we can now see the message. Available stock 16 units. In the previous sales order, it was showing 26 units. So 10 quantity is reserved for the previous sales order, meaning the remaining quantity available is 16. This is how we can use the new stock availability on sales order lines. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more Sage X3 insights. Thank you.